Today we're going to do a chest workout only using dumbbells. So if you don't like going to the gym or you don't feel comfortable going to the gym, this may be the one for you. But I definitely think you should join the gym. There's so many benefits to joining the gym. Number one, you'll meet other like-minded people. Number two, you'll see other people improving and they'll give you the motivation. Number three, you can ask for advice. Number four, you can get a spot to help push your training even further. So whether you're training at home or in the gym, you'll definitely get something from today's video. The first exercise flies to forehead. We're working our lower and outer chest. This is a great exercise because you can do it with cables, you can do it standing. But when you're standing, you're more likely to rock forwards and backwards. That's why I prefer to sit down and do this exercise so all the emphasis can be put on my chest. This week it's all about the high reps. We're aiming for a minimum of 18 reps per set, and the final set we're aiming to go to failure. You can either increase the weights or keep the weights the same as long as you're doing 18 reps on that first and second set, and on that final set destroy your muscles until you can't lift no more. After lifting heavy weights for 2 weeks, it was good to do high reps and lightweight. My muscles were burning like they've not burned in a while. That's why I recommend always to change up your routine so your muscles don't get used to lifting the same weights. You gotta be willing to push your body to the limit to get the results. On our last exercise, we worked our lower and outer chest. Now we're working our upper chest, and this is my absolute number one exercise for growing a bigger chest and putting your chest into the best shape possible. Now with this being my favorite exercise, I always do 4 sets. Now you can do 3 sets, no you can't do 2 sets, a minimum of 3 sets. Whatever exercise you enjoy doing, feel free to do an extra set. Also, I want to build a bigger upper chest, so when I wear that t-shirt, it just hangs right. Now you can do this exercise with a barbell and a bench, and if you prefer doing that, do it that way. You can do it on the Smith machine, but I just enjoy doing it with the dumbbells. Do whatever you feel comfortable doing. Do whatever you enjoy doing in the gym. And I guarantee it, you do that, you will start to enjoy the gym, and also you'll start to see the results. The next exercise we're going to jump onto is the chest flies. This is our third exercise for our chest, and it's an absolute phenomenal one. You're working through the chest and the inner chest. This gives your chest some great shape. Now a lot of people say this exercise isn't good for your shoulders. If you're doing it wrong and you're lifting extremely heavy weight for no reason, then yes, you can injure your shoulders. But if you do the technique right, use the right amount of weight, you can get some incredible results on your chest. Now the great thing about the chest flies is there's so many variations to it. You can do it using cables, dumbbells, you can do it standing, seated, so many variations. I guarantee you'll find a way that suits your body. In a second, you'll see me throw my legs into the air. The reason I do that is because some old school bodybuilder told me to do that, so I could get a bit more of an arch in my back and also put some extra pressure on my core. Now talk about going old school, the straight arm pullover. What an absolute great exercise, but do not go heavy on this exercise. I love this exercise. My uncle Shaf in Bolton, he told me about this exercise. He used to love doing this exercise. He actually tore his chest muscle doing this exercise and still raved about how great this exercise was for building a bigger chest. Now if you're to do this, don't go heavy. Now some people with the dumbbell, they bring it forward, bring it down to the chest, take it back up and take it back behind the head. Now you can do that, but for me personally, I just want to get that forward and backward motion going and getting a nice stretch through my chest. I'm never going to go heavy on this exercise, so I'll always do it on my high rep days. The last thing you want to do is tear your chest muscle by going really heavy. So you still want to push yourself to the limits, but with this exercise, just be a little bit more cautious. Now you can't finish your routine without doing a little bit of abs. I've mixed it up today. I'm doing a set of leg raises and I'm also doing a set of bent knee raises. Now you can do whatever you want to do as long as you're getting in those high reps today. It's all about getting those numbers in. That's it for today's video. If you got value, like and subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment if you didn't like the video or even if you liked the video. Also, if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I will reply to all the comments. I'm here to help you. I'm here to lay the foundation so you can build your masterpiece. Whatever guidance and help you need, I'll try my best to make sure I put you on the right path to success.